Success! We finally have a working compressor again. Like I said in my previous videos, you can go to that online calculators. It'll help you figure out what size pulleys you need to match up to get the compressor running in the proper RPM range. The online calculator we found actually went as far as telling us what length belt we would need for the centers of the shafts and all that, and the pulley sizes. It actually came out right 2 times, because my old motor was a 3,450 RPM. We were using a 3-inch pulley on it, but when we went up to 3,600, we thought it'd be a better idea to slow that thing down to 900 RPMs on the compressor. So, but got all the wiring tucked away, which was a chore, because there's a little gasket, a little rubber gasket that goes behind that cover, and it was not wanting to participate. But I wanted to turn it on just for a minute because I don't know how annoying the sound's going to be on video. See if we get this. So I just wanted to finish that off and show that it was up and running. I mean, I don't have any information on longevity, but man, that Harbor Freight 1.5 horse motor works way better than the original motor, even when it was in good shape. So anyway, keep watching. Hopefully I'll have some more car related videos to put up soon, because everybody will be wanting to get ramped up for spring. So Happy New Year, everybody. Keep watching.